We got some 2-year-old corn seed worth a lot of money. We want to know if it's still good. So we got a bag of Pioneer corn seed from 2 years ago and a bag of Pioneer corn seed from 1 year ago. I know after 1 year it's still good, so I wasn't questioning that, but our 2-year-old bag, I looked at it and found it in the shop and kind of forgot about it. It's 3/4 full. I was wondering, how do I know if it's good or not? Like, it's worth, I think, $300 or $350 a bag, so it's probably, you know, a 3/4 bag worth $250. So I asked the guy that we buy seed from, and I said, is it still good? He said, take 100 seeds, we're gonna take 10, and put them in between 2 damp cloths. And he said after 3 days, if they've all germinated, you know you have 100% germination. If 9, you got 90%, 8. He said anything over 80%, he said good to go, use it. So we're gonna do our own little experiment. We probably won't be planting corn for another 3 days at least, because it just poured again today. But anyways, we have time to do an experiment.
Are you allowed to check on them?
Yep.
So why were you pressing them?
And we'll check on them in 3 days. So we're here to check on our corn seed experiment. So this is the 1-year-old corn.
Whoa, baby.
Wow, look at that. So 20 seeds
100%.
and 20 germinated on the 1-year-old corn. So 100% germination for having an open bag of corn seeds sitting around all year. And then here's the 2-year-old corn seed. Wow, look at that.
Again, 100% germination.
Yeah, 100%. All 20 seeds are germinating. So
Very
2 years that bag was sitting around, open. I totally forgot about it. I just saw it sitting there. And yeah, so the experiment that our seed guy, Matt Coffey, good guy, he told us about this and it worked. That's cool. So that corn's good to go in the ground.